Okay, so here's how you can see your progress for your mastery badges and how you can change those badges. First, click on those squares, then go to challenges and click on mastery badges. Up here you have two different options, multiplayer and zombies. Click on multiplayer to see how many kills or other challenges you need to complete to get this badge for the weapon. And then go all the way back again and click on barracks. Go down to customize and 6 different options appear. Click on the first one on profile, then again on the first mastery badge showcase, and here you can display your masteries. Click on one and select another one, and as you can see, we now have displayed the XM4 badge 2 times. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you also have the problem to level too slow in BO6, please click here to get a full loadout to level faster in Black Ops 6 multiplayer.